Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is noun phrase 119. The noun phrase today is the naked truth. Okay, let's take a look at the note here. If someone says that something is the naked truth, it is the complete, absolute truth, often about something unpleasant. The naked truth is simply the truth, without hiding anything, covering anything, or exaggerating anything. It's just the truth. Okay, let's continue. The origin is believed to come from an old fable called Truth and Falsehood Went Bathing, which appeared in the 1500s. Okay. According to the story, they both went bathing together. However, falsehood completed his bathing first, and he decided to steal and wear Truth's clothes. However, Truth, being an honest guy, Truth, was unwilling to put on falsehood's clothes. So he didn't want to steal falsehood's clothes and left naked. Well, he had no other choice. Thus, we have the naked truth. So that's where the phrase and the origin is supposed to come from. This is another one that Shakespeare used too, so he might have helped popularize it a little bit more. Shakespeare also used this phrase in his play Love's Labor Lost in 1590, also to mean like the complete truth or the total truth. All right, and we have 3 examples here. So example number 1. Whether you want to believe it or not, it is simply the naked truth. Okay, it's one way we use it. Or number 2, just tell me the naked truth, no matter what the consequences. Okay, or number 3 here, people are sick of the lies. They just want the naked truth. Okay, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.